In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use the Apollo.io Chrome extension. This tool integrates seamlessly with your Chrome browser to enhance your productivity by making access to Apollo.io features quick and easy. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure you're all set up and ready to go in no time. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google search page. In the search bar, type Apollo.io Chrome extension and hit enter. The search results will display a list of options. Look for the one that leads directly to Apollo.io's official Chrome extension site. Clicking this link will ensure you are accessing the legitimate and most secure extension available. Once you're on the Apollo.io extension page, you'll typically see a prominent button labeled Download Extension. Click on it to begin the download process. This will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store where the extension is hosted. On this page, click on the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Click Add Extension to complete the installation. Your browser will now download and install the Apollo.io extension automatically. You'll notice a brief notification indicating that the extension has been installed successfully. After the extension is installed, it's time to set it up. Click on the Apollo.io icon that appears in your browser's toolbar. A welcome page like a sign-in screen should pop up. Here, if you already have an Apollo account, you can quickly sign in by choosing one of the available options, whether through Google, Microsoft, or an organization account. If you don't have an account yet, take this opportunity to sign up. It's a straightforward process that'll only take a few moments. Once you're logged in, you can access the full functionality of the Apollo.io extension. Click on Open the extension, which will finalize the onboarding process, giving you seamless access directly from your browser. You can now easily perform searches, manage leads, or integrate with other services directly through this extension. For optimal efficiency, it is a good idea to pin the extension to your browser's toolbar. This way, it's always within easy reach. To do this, simply click on the puzzle piece icon usually found at the top right of Chrome. Find the Apollo.io extension in the list and click the pin icon next to it. This keeps it permanently displayed on your toolbar for quick access. And there you have it. You're now ready to start using the Apollo.io Chrome extension to power up your business or personal projects. By having this extension just a click away, you'll find you can work faster and more efficiently. Thanks for tuning in and happy browsing.